Hey guys, welcome back to FixItPhillip. Today we're working on a 07 Mazda CX-7 2.3 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged, and today we're doing the high pressure fuel pump. So this one, there's a lobe on the cam that pushes up and down this plunger for the high pressure fuel. So we're replacing that, which is right here, and I'll show you guys how to do that. There's a little squeeze clip right here. Take this off and take off the air filter cover here just for some more room. Okay, so this connector comes off here. Okay, there's two quick disconnect fuel lines here. One here, one here. We gotta remove those. There we go. Here's one. Okay, on the bottom here, there's a threaded fuel line, which is a 19mm. It's kind of tough to see, but you can get a 19mm wrench in here and loosen that. There you go. Okay, so the lines are disconnected. Okay, and then there's three bolts that hold this down. We're gonna take those off as well. Hello. Oi. Oops. And there it is. We'll clean up this surface, make sure it's all nice and clean before we put it back on. I'm gonna leave these pliers right here to hold it up so we don't have to try to fish that nut out later when we put the new fuel pump back in. I'm gonna put a little bit of grease on this O-ring just so it doesn't get torn or caught putting it in. And the nuts being held up by the pliers. I'll pull those out later. Okay, we got this all lubed up here on the O-ring, so it's time to put it in. Just make sure that this bubble flare on the metal line sits here while you're putting it in. There is a little dowel pin in here too to help you align it and get it straight in. Like I said, make sure you just use your fingers on the bottom, make sure that that lower metal line lines up while you're putting it in so you don't bend it. Okay, we'll get that nut started down here. Okay. Here we get these clips back on for the fuel line. These have a tapered edge so you can stick them on first and then it'll expand when you slide them on there. Come on. Okay. So there's 1, 2, push this clip back. Sensor there. And that's it for the high pressure fuel pump. So we'll go ahead and start it, let it run, make sure everything's good. The ignition on and off a couple times. Okay, so we can see the desired fuel pressure here and the actual fuel pressure here, and they are staying just about the same. So before the high pressure fuel pump was not functioning properly, so the PSI was way below the desired fuel pressure that the PCM wanted it to do. So now it's reading okay. So we're just gonna give it a test drive, make sure everything's good. It cleared the codes, no more codes came back on, and it seems like it's running okay. Okay guys, I just finished taking this on a test drive, and so far so good. No check engine light, no codes came back on. It originally had codes for a random multiple misfire, running lean, and fuel pressure sensor low circuit, and again none of those are coming back on. It was sputtering and misfiring originally, lack of power, and now after the new mechanical fuel pump, it has good power now, good acceleration, and again no more codes. So thank you guys for watching this mechanical fuel pump replacement on the 07 Mazda CX-7 2.3 turbo. Thanks for watching Fix It Phillip, and remember, with Fix It Phillip you can fix it. I'll see you next time.